It's a brow tutorial and we're jumping right into it. So starting off, you could see that my brows are groomed, which I normally do. So I'm going to go in with my old mascara. You could use your spoolie, it does the same thing, and I'm just going to brush the ears up. Alright, so this is how they're looking, and we're going to go in with the Magic Hair Ghost Bond. Yep. Now you don't necessarily have to use this. You could use regular brow gel, but I just discovered this the other day and I'm just in love. So I put that amount for both of my brows. It's kind of too much too, but you will see me take it off. So I'm just gonna brush it in my brows. Gonna really push it into the ears, and I'm going to do the same for the other. Now guys, it does dry clear, and you could see that but I'm taking off excess and I'm pushing it in. Alright, so if you're a beginner and you want to like outline your brows, this is a good way to start by positioning the pencil here, and that's where it would start. Keeping the pencil at your nose, that's where your arch is going to be, and then keeping the pencil there, that's where your tail of your brow is going to be. So if you're new to it, you could try that. However, we're going to use the NYX brow pencil, and it's in the shade Chocolate. Now I am going to fill in the sparse areas in my brows and kind of create like an outline. I'm doing it very neatly because I want less job whenever I go in to clean up my brows. If you're new here, I hope you decided on subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you like beauty and lifestyle videos, I hope you consider subscribing. Turn on the post notification and thumbs up the video if you're learning something by watching this video. So this is how it's looking once everything is filled and I'm satisfied with it. So we're going to go in with our concealer. Now this concealer is from JUVIAS place and it's in the shade number 11. And this brush, I have it for years now, and it's from Amazon. I'll link it in the description. However, with this concealer, if you're a beginner and you're very slow at carving out your brows, because this concealer is like a water base, it will give you enough time to to clean up your brows without the concealer drying on you. But this is where I start. I like to start at the front and then just slide it right in, as you could see, and then I try to take my time and clean up when it comes to the arch, because you know the arch is where really give you that nice shape. Alright, so I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge, and it's so tiny and cute. I'm going to use this and I'm just going to blend out the concealer. I recommend this so much because it's just so detailed. Well, it's so small that you could just focus on just blending out the concealer. I'll link it in the description bar down below if you want to check it out. So sometimes when I'm blending, I kind of messed up, and I'm just going to use my pencil to just create that line. Yeah. Alright, so this is the concealed brow versus the brow that is not concealed. It's a preference, guys, especially if you're gonna do a full face beat. I would recommend concealing. However, we're going to use my foundation, which is the Mented foundation in the shade M10, to conceal above my brows. Now I like to do this just to give it a little oomph, you know, for it to look really good. Alright, so we're finished concealing the top of our brows, and this is how it's looking. Very gorgeous. I'm in love. I love doing this. I enjoy doing my brows sometimes. Alright, so we're going to win the Laws of Nature Cosmetic translucent powder. I really love this powder because it's really translucent. Like, it's all natural, and it's definitely gonna set your brows in place. Not your brows, but your concealer. And as you can see, I'm demonstrating. I'm just doing a little patting motion to really set the wet areas, which is where we put the concealer and foundation. No, I'm not going to set the foundation, which is above my brow, because I haven't finished with my makeup as yet. But I really wanted you guys to really see how beautiful that setting powder is. Love it. So we're at the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you so much for staying this far, watching it to the end. And this is how my brows are looking. They are looking snatched and gorgeous and just ready for a full house beat. Yes guys, I'll see you in my next video, and I hope if you're new, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.